Shasta.
Shasta.
Welcome to the family farm here in Pass Creek. Now, as you all know, once in a while, say every Friday, the old man Soukochoff gets a little anxious, jumps in the diesel, and drives away to the Langley auction. Now, sometimes, if there's sales on some things, picks up things, well, come with me. There's only one way to find out. Here's the truck. And he came back from the coast with him.
Hi. You see that in here?
Take a look in the back here. See what kind of mess we got in the back of our truck. Geez, shit all over the place. Everything. And then you come over here and you see everybody picking out the critters. Got some big turkeys. And there he is. And this is all the proof I need that we can get a white jacket for this guy and
Not me.
put him into the damn
Well, I'll buy some
crazy
eggs. I got big chicken eggs now going.
What are these
Chickens,
creatures?
overgrown.
Look at how they drink.
Moly.
Watch.
They're not a
scoop it up.
native of this.
Those were from the dinosaurs. They hatched an egg, and then they made these. The dinosaurs, they're these scientists, they're digging up and they found these eggs, and they decided, well, let's try hatch this damn thing. And they hatched it. It was preserved really well. And then out
From
this
the
damn
preserved
thing.
eggs?
Yeah, and then they
Yeah,
hatched them out,
right.
and this is what happened. They got these prehistoric turkeys or whatever the hell you want to call them.
Oh yeah.
Do they bite?
No, emails.
They make sound.
Yeah.
More explanation.
He knows nothing. I know nothing. I just buy them.
How much are they worth? How many?
How much they worth? I don't know what they worth. I know I got them for popcorn.
Oh yeah. What kind of popcorn?
$1,000 popcorn.
$1,000. Oh yeah. $1,000 for the whole shield here.
That's pretty good, Phil.
It's under 75 meters. You're right. You might not do that lens.
Yeah.
I would be careful.
How
with
come
that.
they're blue?
Hey, Alice, you tell me, then I'll know. I know nothing about it.
Well, why buy when you don't know nothing? How they go? Just eat.
See, I told you to get down there right away.
What are they
You
called?
gotta see.
Stork?
Emus.
Huh?
Emus.
What the fuck is this?
Not bad, eh?
Once that lands, I'm sure they're gonna go for shiny stuff just like anything else. And when they whack it, they're gonna whack it too.
Look at their feet.
Well, it's supposed to be three pairs.
Male and female, eh?
Supposed to be 3 males.
Ostriches, no.
Oh, this is the smaller than ostrich. This is smaller than ostrich.
Get him.
What happened to the hump there?
Because my double decking too low.
Oh, you scraped it.
Yeah.
Oh. Look, that's their ears or what?
Yeah, that's their ears, that's the eyes, everything. They got big hole in the ears.
Yeah.
You need one of these things over at your garden. They'll keep the deer away, everything.
I wouldn't want to keep them near my bed. How are they going to survive for
I
winter?
gotta make 3-sided shield is all. The weather doesn't seem to bother them. They're tough as anything, but I gotta put a few pounds on them. They're a little thin yet.
No, but the
It's
weather.
summertime. We'll when winter comes, we'll decide what's going on.
Yeah.
Maybe we're gonna need a maybe
Put them
need
in
a
a pot.
jacket.
$15 a pound for meat.
Look, she's resting her neck in the feed. And that's what? Pellets or ling mash?
No,
Or
that's their special stuff.
what is it?
I don't know what it is. It's the special stuff.
It came with them?
No. It cost me $10 besides.
Well, there must be a name for that
Yeah,
feed.
some ratite growers.
Looks like
I like how they
pellets.
fill their mouth and then just.
But my friend of mine that has these, he says that he just feeds the chickens. You eat oats barley?
Come here, buddy. Johnny
Do
Pilcheck.
they laugh or?
This here is John Pilcheck.
I don't know what else they do. I don't know anything about them. I just unloaded them. Just brought them in and unloaded them. Well, just unloaded just half an hour ago. Just make this little corral here and then just unload it.
What you got?
They look like ostriches.
This is not this is small ostrich.
Yeah, look at it, their long neck and, you know, just a small stomach. Giraffe? No, it's not a giraffe. Ostrich.
Smaller ostrich. This is an ostrich family. No, that's not him fighting. That's good.
It's one of those things that sell everything $30 each.
A pelican? No, she's not a
This way.
pelican.
You lose money, it's not.
They had no name for it.
Yeah, first female gonna be ours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty small.
No, she's everybody's not that big. Look at here, look at this.
Got one below, one
Let's see. I guess. How about now?
See, hers, you see? Dripping from underneath that big one. So, I don't know, maybe males, or maybe, who knows? We'll find out one.
That's
of
his
these
balls, maybe.
days. Maybe they be like me.